Hello my acquaintances, today I'm going to be teaching you how to be Hamburglar. Hamburglar, top text, Hamburglar, bottom text. Burger. The most iconic part of the Hamburglar is his outfit. So make sure you have that right. At least. Oh, then you gotta get a striped shirt. You can find these most anywhere. I got this on the clearance rack at Forever 21, specifically because it reminded me of the Hamburglar, and it's got a hood on it. Then, for the bottoms, if you have striped pants, that's great. I'm assuming you don't. So a black or a white bottoms will work just fine. Here's what we got I got this black ruffle skirt, got it at Kohl's in 2012. We got some black tights on, some white socks on. But don't you forget it. He's actually got a collar because he's got a tie. So I have this collar bib thing I got from Shein, and I'm just gonna tuck that into this, and then I have this red tie from Joseph and Faith International. Most likely from my dad. Hamburglar has iconic red Chuck Taylors, so if you've got some, they'll be great. Any red shoes will work. Any black or white shoes will also work. We'll get in to the makeup now. Normally, when doing makeup looks that have a wig, I would now put on a wig hat. However, I do not have any with me. So, I'll have to somehow figure out how to get all of this in here. You can also use a gray wig or a black wig or a white wig because of his old original look. These are also hamburger earrings. You see them? I made them. You can buy them on my Etsy. His eyes underneath his mask are more of just like a beige, you know, like nothing. So I'm just going to do a little bit of a simple, extremely neutral look. But you can also do like a red and yellow look, like I did here. Or some other, you know, inspired going on your eyes. But I'm not really going to do that because most of your eyes will be covered by the mask. A brownish shade if you've got one. We're not endorsing this palette. I'd tell you what it is. You know what it is just by looking at it, but I'd tell you what it was if I was endorsing it, but I'm not. My eyes are not very symmetrical, so the shape is not really the same on both sides. That doesn't matter. So, what we're gonna take next, this is a very simple, like, two-in one. Here. And just put that on my lid. Glow line. Mistakes are bound to happen. But that's okay. Okay. Next, let me see if he has very prominent eyelashes. No, it in fact looks like he doesn't have eyelashes at all. So, won't do eyelashes. I'm going to take a white liner here and just trace out the shape of his thing here. Something like that. Oh, he has a little orange nose and a lot of blush. So, I guess I'm gonna do that before this palette. And we're gonna use this orangey shade here on the Pacman Wet n Wild palette. And a little brush. And I'm just gonna go on my nose with that one. This is the black eye I'm using. It's the Wet n Wild paint pot from their Fantasy Makers 2018. And I'm taking a paintbrush and after this, you want to go over that with a black powder, so it doesn't like rub off, do things like that. Black. And I'm just gonna take a shadow brush, just so I can get it everywhere, and just pat right over the whole thing. This will also give it some more like opacity. Next, you want to add the string. So I'm going to take that same eyeliner from earlier and just draw it straight into the, like, behind my ear. And then take a small detailed brush and a brown like that, and under the mask a little bit. he's got orange hair.
You look so much like your father.
There's a little bit of a lip color going on, so I'm just using this tinted lip gloss, the Clyde flavor, because it's a little bit orangey pinky, and it's not real clear. And next, we want to put on the wig. This fashion 20-inch pumpkin wavy color. I might have a referral code to this company. I might not. I don't remember. If I do, it'll be linked in the description. If I don't, you know. Adjust as is necessary. If you don't have a hat that is similar to his, then what you can do is make one very easily out of foam or cardboard. I made one here, and you can just kind of see what I'm doing and apply it to the Hamburglar's hat. He also has a cape, which is very iconic, and unfortunately, I do not have one. But, Hamburglar. So, you know the bye, subscribe, see you later on your haters.